Guys, how you doing? American Defender here. Miss Defender out here fishing using hot dog, and a lot of people I've talked to have got a problem with hot dog staying on the hook when they go to hook it. So Miss Defender here is going to show you how to do it. Alright, so she's going to rip a piece off, she's going to turn it sideways and literally just stick it on the hook and then rotate it right into that cuff of the hook. And then when she goes to cast it, she's got just a little weight on there, a little slip weight. I have, we can do this without weights, and out you go. And that's really all there is to it.
And I've already caught one.
Yeah, we haven't even been here 2 minutes, and she already landed a carp. So, I mean, it's a short video, but I wanted to show that to everybody because I've had a lot of people ask me, how do you do it? That's how you do it. There's no tricks, there's no strings, there's no fancy rigs needed, no hair rigs, you don't need boilies. That stuff, that's English stuff. That's things they do in Britain. Here in America, we use some hot dog and a hook and a weight, and it works just fine. This method works for flatheads, channel cat, carp, bass, whatever. It's just how you hook a hot dog. So I figured I'd just let you guys see how to do that, because I've had a lot of questions. The key to it is when you cast it, don't try to hulk it out there. Cast gently, and you know, you can kind of you'll develop a feel with it, and let it come off the spool. So,
here, I'll show them.
Yeah, she'll demonstrate for you. Now, when you're reeling in, if you reel in real quick, it can rip the hot dog off. But as you can see, it's still there. It's still on there. So, Miss Defender just is going to take it. And that's it. Okay, that's all it takes. It's real easy. A lot of people that are having problems with that, I from what my experience and what I've seen, are like trying to hulk it out there. No, let the momentum and the weight of the hot dog do what it's going to do. Oh, you should have let that go, babe. But let the weight of everything, you know, work with you, and use it to your advantage. She's got a rebait here, and she's going to wing it back out. All right, so a piece of hot dog. Just tear it off, poke it on, and roll it. Poke and roll. Remember that. Poke and roll. Sounds kind of perverted, but poke and roll. And that's all there is to it. Let it wing on out there. So, I'm going to get out of here, guys. A lot of people wanted to know how to do that. And they've had problems with it. I've seen people try pantyhose on them and tying them up with a string and rubber bands and hooking them funny. And nope, it's real easy. Stick the hook through the side and right in the cuff of the hook. Let that support the hot dog. And you want to hook the hot dog right about middle of the hot dog. So with that, I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.